Good day, viewers. EKO blog is reporting live at Golfview Conference Hall, Ikeja, Lagos, for EKO Club International Award Night. The EKO Club International embarked on a medical mission since November 2nd, visiting communities and neighborhoods across Lagos to give free medical services and supplies to Lagosians, particularly in Ayobo, Egbeda, Ejinrin, Lagos Island, and Ipakodo in Ikorodu, among many other communities. Following the donation of medical equipment today at Isolo, the ECI 2024 medical mission will be capped off by an award night celebration right here today. So stay tuned as EKO blog brings to you all the live updates of the event as it unfolds. I am Daniel Samsonido, reporting for EKO Hot Blog. EKO Club International, a community of Lagosians living in the diaspora, came together under various chapters with one remarkable mission: to contribute to the advancement and prosperity of Lagos State. United in purpose, they embarked on an impactful journey to support the health sector of Lagos through their medical mission. The club, whose members are indigenes of Lagos State, put the program together to complement the efforts of the state government in closing the gap of accessing quality and affordable health care. Driven by their dedication, EKO Club International procured and shipped vital medical equipment to Lagos, Nigeria, to be distributed across hospitals in Lagos. This initiative follows earlier projects, including a medical outreach program and donations of scout uniforms to support youth engagement. On Saturday, November 9, 2024, the EKO Club International Medical Mission Award Night took center stage at Golfview Conference Hall, G.R.A, Ikeja. The evening opened with lively music and captivating performances. The memorable evening drew the high and mighty from across the community, including Oba Rafiu Ishola Babatunde Balogun, Oba Oyekan Ajose, Alapa of Akpa Kingdom, Oba Asumo Aderigbe Alayondelu of Ayondelu Kingdom, and representatives from the Gbogbo Omo Adugbo Egbeda Association and Oko Faji Society. Also in attendance were Honorable Bashir Agoro, among many other prominent members of the EKO Club International. The president of the club, Honorable Saheed Olushi, in his address reflected on the hard work and dedication that made this mission a success.
We set out for the 2024 medical mission, and we thank God Almighty that we have come to the end, the conclusion of the medical mission. We thank God for the successes, the glory. We thank God for keeping us all still together, alive and healthy. Tonight is not really about a lot of speeches. Tonight is for us to appreciate one another, especially those amongst us who went over and beyond to make sure that the medical mission was a success. And that is all of you, members of EKO Club International. That is all of you, our volunteers from abroad. That is all of you, our volunteers in Nigeria. And also that is all of you, our royal fathers and their beautiful Oloris. Eshe Adupe, our Turakala ni Kedeka Gbagbonawa. Ọ̀rọ̀ ní pọ̀jù, but ẹgbà wà láyé tá a bá fẹ́ ṣe recognition àwọn tí wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́ takuntakun láti jẹ́ kí á rí the successes that we have recorded during this 2024 medical mission. Láì ní dènà pẹ̀lú láì ní sọ̀rọ̀ jù, we will be honoring some of our royal fathers who continuously support our mission, who continuously support the vision of EKO Club International. àwọn tẹ́lẹ̀ tó gbó bàtà bá pè wọ́n náà máa ń jẹ́ wa ọlọ́wà jẹ́ ká máa rí pé ọlọ́wà jẹ́ ká máa rí bá ọ. Also amongst us, some of our members spend sleepless nights, endless nights, days running into nights over and over again, planning, moving things around to make sure that the medical mission was a success. We would also be recognizing them tonight. And we'll also be recognizing some of our local volunteers who also, anytime we call on them, they stand up to acknowledge, they stand up to respect the call, and together we have been doing wonderful things in the communities, especially here in Lagos State. Like I promised you, we will not be doing a lot of talking tonight, so I'm going to stop here. Let us have fun. There's music, there's lots of food and drinks. Let us have fun, let us socialize, and let us give God all the glory. Thank you.
Then, the highlight of the evening began. The presentation of awards honoring those who played a vital role in this year's ECI 2024 medical mission. Among the esteemed honorees were Oba Dr. Oyekan Adekanmi Posi Alapa of Akpa Kingdom.
President Golfview, I thank you and I thank all the members of the EKO Club International. My people in the Akpa Kingdom said I should thank you for medical vision. You always come every time to do it in my community. I really appreciate you, and my people said I should thank you, and they still need your assistance because you have been trying a lot in my community, and every time you knock my door, I will open it for you. Thank you so much. May God bless you.
Oba Asumo Aderibigbe, Alayandelu of Odo Ayandelu Kingdom.
Especially to my lovely royal fathers, I wish, because I'm super excited today, to be sincere. So, most especially from my lovely husband's family, we wish to appreciate the EKO Club International for this noble honor given to my darling husband, Oba Dr. Asumo Aderibigbe, Jamade First, the paramount ruler of Odo Kingdom. Congratulations to you, sir. We really appreciate you. We are so excited for this great honor. Thanks so much, and we will continue to support EKO Club International anytime you knock at my husband's door. Thanks so much.
And Oba Onimoba of Oba Kingdom, each receiving the prestigious Royal Pillar Award.
I am truly honored to receive this award. I say thank you for EKO Club International. God will continue blessing you. Blessing.
Then Dr. Lola Alugba took to the stage to recognize the dedicated volunteers, including medical professionals such as Simiat Onikoyi, Dr. Ulukemi Zainab, and Deborah Olufunke Adewusi, among many others, whose efforts were instrumental to the mission's success.
I just think about you, you didn't need no wonder, because you love me so tender, baby, but now I'm darling, cause you're so boring, very boring. For a very long time, I don't let you go. If you let me leave, I am catching hold. Why not to go, baby? Why not to go, darling? Why not to go, baby? Why not to go, darling? Why I don't come home? I think I've found Lord. My heart keeps racing, but Jack is right.
As the event drew to a close, the hosts, chieftains, and awardees of the night shared their excitements.
It has been very successful, tremendously successful, very satisfying. It is a thing of joy when you are able to give back to the community. And for the most part, we started on the 2nd of November when we went to Ayobo. From Ayobo, Okofaji, Ekpe, in Ejiri in Ekpe. And then we come back to Okofaji to give back to the community again with an empowerment program. We went to Mercy Children's Hospital, especially my chapter supports Mercy Children's Hospital, donating a lot of equipment that is useful for the future generations. All those young children over there, it gladdens my heart to know that myself and all of my chapters, whom I am deeply grateful to, were able to support these children. And the medical director over there did appreciate us and all of the staff as well. And then from there, we went to Ikeja, and Ikeja today is the final day. It's an award night. It is so pleasing to see that many of the participants, including the medical doctors, the nurses, and all the medical practitioners and all the crews, were well appreciated in this award night. That is something that should inspire a lot of our other members in ECI from all of the 27 chapters to kind of like contribute their own quota back to this community we call Lagos State. Lagos State is our own, and we are passionate about giving back to that community. It is very, very satisfying. We spend our money to come over here. However, it's very, very satisfying to see the kind of impact we are making in the community that we recently served. It's very gratifying.
I mean, to God be the glory. I'm sure it's just God's strength, because it's not easy, because it's like a marathon race. It's back to back, and I don't know, we just got the strength. By the time we got back, it's already 7, we go to bed, we wake up again by 6 a.m. We're already on the way to just make people happy. And we started since 2nd November, and up to today, even to, I mean, I think we started from Ayobo, and the next day was somewhere 5G or something. And then we went to Ikeja, we went to Kodu, we went to places, and Lagos Island, and we were doing from morning till night to attend to people. I'm a nurse by profession, so I mean, and we have doctors, we have people that are IT, and you know, I just don't know how we did it. It's not just the money, but the logistics, and everything was just in order. Up till today, we went to do the equipment, hospital equipment donations to the Lagos State to distribute it among the clinics, and it was included including the beds, wheelchairs, and many stuff for the hospital. And then back to tonight is the gala night to appreciate us, and we are all happy that, you know, they see our efforts, and even if it's a little token, it goes a long way. It strengthens us to come back the next 2 years and come do it again. And we will always do it again. We do it financially, health-wise, time, because when we come here in America, you don't work, you don't get money. So that time that we're here, we're not going to be paid. And we have bills, but, you know, to God be the glory. It's going to be taken care of by God's grace.
I mean, I feel fulfilled. I feel happy. I feel glad that we've been able to come here to contribute our quota to help people. And I'm happy and I feel fulfilled. Yeah, I feel it's great. I think it's a recognition for hard work. I think it's recognition for the service that has been rendered by not just me, but every other member of the volunteers, from the doctors, the nurses, the pharmacists. So it feels great to be recognized. It feels great to be awarded, and we're very thankful for it. Oh yeah, for sure. I mean, it's been a great experience. It's been great going to the communities to see people in need, and being able to touch lives of people down in the communities. So definitely, next medical mission if available, and the timing is right, definitely I would love to be a part of it.
I feel fulfilled and I feel great. It's my pleasure being here today to be part of the award celebration. I give God all the glory, thanks and adoration for sparing our life to witness another great award night tonight. It's my pleasure.
I thank God, all praises to the Almighty God. The mission was highly successful. We were able to touch life. We were able to give back to our people. We gave out medical services and we gave palliative out. The medical services, I am highly impressed with it because so many of my country people don't know their health status. Majority don't know the condition of their blood sugar, hypertension, they don't know anything. They really don't know anything about breast cancer. The men don't know anything about prostate. But we thank God we're able to tell them, educate them to do it. You hear some men that say, prostate, you need to turn now. No, go and check. Not for now, for the big future. The breast, check for your breast cancer. It's not as if you have a breast cancer now, but for the future. Majority, do you believe we have a glucose level of somebody who is into 300, 400, and he doesn't know he had diabetes? The hypertension, we have the level as high as 350, 380. But thank God we were able to bring it down, and we express, the patient expresses gratitude to us, and we advise him to further treat him in the hospital. We thank God it was a great success. Today, we went to a solo to give to the state medical equipment, wheelchair, cane, white cane for the blind, crutches, all medical stretchers. We were able to donate it. It was in 240-footer container, and we handed it over to the Lagos state government. By God's grace, it was a great success. We can improve on this. The area of our improvement is the people on the ground, the people we are coming to meet. Most of the time, they are not well arranged and organized. But in future, I think there will be an advanced team that will be there to arrange them. Then, by the time the medical practitioner arrive, they will just start to work, because most of the time we spend time in arranging the patients.
I think it's been amazing. We've been able to touch so many lives across the states, across the all divisions of Lagos State. So I'm very happy about it, without a doubt. Yeah, I think it's well deserved. I mean, the week has been very busy for all of us, you know, going around the states, from medical mission to palliatives. So it's an award night, and we're recognizing all the folks that have contributed tremendously to the success of the medical mission, the royal fathers, and all the volunteers. So you can see it's fabulous. Everyone's looking great. It's a fantastic event, and I'm happy to be part of it. Yes, it happens every 2 years. Well, you know, as soon as this one is completed, we start planning for the next one, and we keep getting better and better, and you know, this is the first time, for example, that we include medical equipment and supplies. You know, you saw that at the solo. That was the first one, and we're hoping to improve on that. And the next 2 years, we're hoping to do something extraordinary again. You know, I don't know what's going to be next. What's going to be next, I don't know yet, but there's going to be something extraordinary that we're going to do in the next 2 years, by the grace of God.
I feel excited. I feel useful, doing something for my society. get so, and it's always an honor working with EKO Club, volunteering with EKO Club. I've done a lot of volunteer, but sincerely, volunteering with EKO Club can be, I don't know how to put it, but you could sense the balance. There is time for work, there is time for play, so it's never a boring moment. That is what I love about EKO Club, and I'm always glad to volunteer with EKO Club. Yes, the work has been taxing for some time, but just like I said earlier, there is always a balance volunteering with EKO Club. They understand the game. That is one thing I will say about them. I am excited to be awarded this, to be recognized, giving back. I feel useful to humanity, like doing something for my humanity. So I feel useful. I feel excited about it. And I will say that anytime EKO Club call, I will always answer.
Iṣẹ́ ribiribi ni àwọn EKO Club International ṣe. Ìdẹ́ṣà àkọ́kọ́ wọn rèé bí ọdún méjì náà lọ́mọ wá ṣe ní Nàìjíríà. Wọ́n ti dé látijọ́ ìtàn tí ń lọ káàkiri àwọn ìlú tó ń fáwọn ní ètò ìlera ọ̀fẹ́ tó ń dẹ̀ ṣe surgery fún ọmọ mi tó yẹ kó ń ṣe surgery fún. So mo dúpẹ́ púpọ̀ lọ́wọ́ wọn. Táyà tó bá wà ń sọ̀rọ̀ ilé náà á tó di pé wọ́n ti kó àwọn medical equipment wá sí sọ̀lọ̀ tí wọ́n tún fi ran ìjọba ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó lọ́wọ́. A dẹ̀ gbàdúrà pé Ọlọ́run á máa bùsápò wọn. Owó ọ̀tán dẹ̀ ń ṣe lé ni wọ́n ní yín ká lè ṣe mí ni. So gbogbo àwọn aláìlú àti ẹ̀rí ń bí náà ti kópa kan àbí kejì nínú ìlọsíwájú ẹgbẹ́ EKO Club International. Irú èmi sìn nǹkan tí èmi ṣe fún wọn ni pé ilé tí gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì kọ́ sọ́dọ̀ mi ní Odò Àyàndélú tó jẹ́ Lagos State Housing Estate abájọba sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n dẹ̀ fún wọn ní 40 flats níbẹ̀ tí wọ́n rà tí wọ́n náà máa bá a gbé ní ibẹ̀. Ìyẹn ló deserve award tèmi tán fún mi ní èyí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni àwọn bàbá náà orú ẹrù tí wọ́n máa kọ́ látòkè òkun bí àwọn equipment ọ̀dọ̀ bàbá alápá náà máa láǹdẹ̀ sí torí wọ́n ní seaport ńbẹ̀. So orú ọkùnrin yẹn náà torí ẹ̀ recognize. Bàbá tó dẹ̀ jẹ́ bàbá ẹlẹ́jìn ó ti wà pẹ̀lú wọn for over 20 years. Káàtì ẹ̀ tó sọ pé àjọba ni bàbá ti wà pẹ̀lú wọn. So náà ni bàbá náà ṣe merit ẹ̀. So pẹ̀lú gbogbo àwọn èèyàn ẹ rí pé àwọn èèyàn tó fún ní award wọn merit ẹ̀. Kì í pọ́nkàn fún èèyàn ní award anyhow. So mo kí wọn pé wọ́n kúṣẹ́ Olúwa wà pẹ̀lú wọn.
Mo dúpẹ́ púpọ̀ lọ́dọ̀ àwọn EKO Club International. Pàápàá fún medical vision tó máa wá ṣe lọ́dọ̀ mi ní gbogbo ìlú Àpá ní kí n dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn. Inú mi dùn púpọ̀ sí wọn. Mo dẹ̀ ti sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan pé kò sígbà tí wọ́n kan lẹ̀kùn mi tí mi ní dá wọn lóhùn. Because báwọn ṣe ń ṣe tá bá rí àwọn group bíi méjì mẹ́ta tó bá ń ṣe rú ẹ̀ Nàìjíríà túbọ̀ máa dùn sí i. Wọ́n gbìyànjú inú mi dẹ̀ ń dùn sí wọn. Kò sí nǹkan tó ń bá fẹ́ tí n bá wà ní ìkíyà mi màá ṣe fún wọn because inú mi dùn sí wọn. Àwọn náà dẹ̀ ni wọ́n gbìyànjú wọ́n ṣe gudugudu méje yàyà mẹ́fà pàápàá ní ìlú Àpá. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn gan ni kò sí Ọlọ́run àtúbọ̀ máa bùkún wọn. Ọlọ́run máa gbọ́wọ́ wọn sókè ibi tó ti ń mówó náà fi ṣe ibẹ̀ àpò wọn ò ní gbẹ. Ilé alákàn kì í gbẹ ilé wọn ò ní gbẹ láéláé lórúkọ Jésù Olúwa wa.
Ọlọ́run ọba nìkan ló máa bá wa dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn àwọn EKO Club International fún iṣẹ́ ribiribi tó ń ṣe nípa ìwòsàn ọ̀fẹ́ tí wọ́n fún àwọn èèyàn mi. Wọ́n ti ṣe lẹ́ẹ̀kínní wọ́n ṣe lẹ́ẹ̀kejì ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹta wọ́n ṣe fún mi. Ọlọ́run á bá mi máa dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn. Ọlọ́run á bá mi máa dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn. Ọlọ́run á bá mi san gbogbo ẹlẹ́san rẹ̀ nítorí pé àwọn oògùn táwọn èèyàn tó hàn lówó àti rà òun ni ló ń fáwọn èèyàn wa lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́. Oògùn tó hàn lówó àti rà tó hàn lè rà òun ló ń fáwọn èèyàn wa lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́. Ó di dandan bá ṣe ń wá ìwòsàn fáwọn èèyàn wa Ọlọ́run á jogún ìwòsàn fáwọn náà. Wọ́n ní àlàáfíà àwọn náà ní ṣàárẹ̀ wọn ní ṣàárẹ̀ Ọlọ́run á tọ́jú wọn. Ọlọ́run tó mú wọn débí pẹ̀láyọ̀ àwọn amúnikálẹ̀kù wọn padà síbi tó ti wá pẹ̀láyọ̀. Wọ́n lọ bá àwọn ọmọ wọn wọ́n lọ bá àwọn ọkọ wọn wọ́n lọ bá àwọn ìyàwó wọn wọ́n lọ bá àwọn ọmọ wọn pẹ̀lú àlàáfíà. Ọlọ́run á san wọ́n lẹ́san rẹ̀. Mo dúpẹ́ gidigidi lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run pé Ọlọ́run ní kí n mọ̀ wọ́n. Èmi náà dẹ̀ fún wọn lẹ̀ mo ti wà pẹ̀lú wọn sìn ó lé ní 20 ọdún tí mò ń tẹ̀lé wọn káàkiri ọlọ́run á ṣàánú èmi náà òye aburú ọlọ́run ní fi yà wá ọlọ́run á gbàdúrà wa á tó àbá fún wa o ẹ ṣé.
ó jẹ́ ohun tó dára tó dẹ̀ dùn torí pé àwọn Èkó Club International wọ́n ṣe gudugudu méje yàyà mẹ́fà nípa ti àwọn ètò ìlera tí wọ́n ti ṣe káàkiri àti gbogbo àwọn medical equipment tí wọ́n kó wá sí ìlú Èkó pàápàá jùlọ eléyìí tí wọ́n kó wá sí ìlú Sọ̀lọ̀ a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ Ọlọ́run á túbọ̀ máa gbé wọn sókè Ọlọ́run á máa ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́ ilé tí wọ́n fi sílẹ̀ ayọ̀ náà máa padà dé bá ilé náà àsìkò tó dẹ̀ wà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ yìí wàhálà ìdààmú kan kò ní dé bá wọn wọ́n ti ń gbé Èkó lárugẹ Ọlọ́run á bá gbà wọn náà lárugẹ gbogbo tí wọ́n ti mú owó Ọlọ́run á bá fi ọ̀pọ̀ rọ́pò fún wọn wọ́n ń ṣe àṣekágbá ní àṣálẹ́ yìí in fact wọ́n dẹ̀ fún àwọn èèyàn ní oríṣiríṣi award ti ayẹyẹ tí wọ́n ṣe yìí ó dùn ó dára lórúkọ gbogbo àwọn ọba ládéládé a kí gbogbo wọn wípé wọ́n ṣe é pọ̀ wọ́n kú iṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run á túbọ̀ máa ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́ òwòye ọdún tó ń bọ̀ Ọlọ́run á dẹ̀mí gbogbo wa sí láti tún pàdé láyọ̀ àtàlàáfíà ẹ ṣé.
The event concluded with joyful festivities as guests dined, danced, and celebrated the positive impact of this mission on Lagos's healthcare landscape. I am Daniel Samsonido, reporting for EKO Hot Blog. Well, it has been a night of funfair, whining and dining right here at Golfview Conference Hall, where EKO Club International is capping off their 2024 medical mission with an award night. Thank you for staying tuned. Do not forget to subscribe to all our social media handle at EKO Hot Blog on Facebook, X, and Instagram. I am Daniel Samsonido, reporting for EKO Hot Blog.